I need a picture. I need Rishi. I don't know if you can hear me, but it just took off. I'm on the search to find iridescent ears. Do they have it? No. Okay, fail. No. Guess what, guys? I found the ears! I'm literally so happy right now. It's not even funny.
The first thing she said when she saw this wall, which one should I get? Which one's the most perfect?
Yeah, you gotta get the most perfect
They're
one.
all the same.
Like, we flew on this airplane, like, we gotta get the right one.
Might as well.
Hey everyone, so guess what? I'm back at Disney's California Adventures. Throwback to my birthday. Finally 21.
Man, look at that. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, obviously the glow up is real. Hopefully we're glowing here. This is my first time actually at Pixar
Fest.
Pixar Fest. Yeah, correcting me. Together, so yeah. I'm so happy. So I went earlier in May, but he wasn't able to go. And he went actually, but thank you. Thanks. So we're gonna go on the credit coaster because literally like 2004 Jess wanted a Incredibles ride, and they finally came out like how many years later?
14 years later.
14 years later. Yeah, my ears are falling off.
What ends? Stick 'em on.
I'm trying, but like you have to wear sunglasses at the same time, you know?
It's a look. It's a look.
It's a look, I guess so. So, oh my God, there she is. There she is. All right, I'm ready. Such a glow up. Oh my God, I am super obsessed. Okay, so we're gonna take a couple photos now, and yeah, Lamplight Lounge.
Wait. You just said Lamplight Lounge.
Is this what it
2
said?
seconds ago, before you turned the camera on, you were like, oh my God, Lamplight Lounge! And then now you're like, Lamplight Lounge. It's like a tour. You do not understand the emotions that are running through this girl's body. She has been wanting to go here for the last 3 months. Every day she wakes up, I want to go to Lamplight Lounge. Every day that I talk to her, I want to go to Lamplight Lounge.
Oh my God, this is the Frosties right here.
See, that's what I'm saying.
You gotta get
We're about that energy, guys.
He's literally exposing me right now on this channel, but oh my God, can we talk about these yellow painted lamps? Like, this wasn't the same, it was green. Oh my God, I noticed every single detail. I appreciate all the painters. Oh my God, I need a picture. Rishi, I need a picture with this. I need a picture with that.
You get a picture.
Okay.
Don't you worry.
Oh my God. 2004 Jess, 80-year-old Jess, is literally shook right now. She's shook. The wig has flown. Like this. This is, oh my God. Oh, I can't even breathe right now, but I've been waiting for this for so long. It finally happened. Like, thank you, Disney. Thank you. This up balloon is everything. Honestly, Pixar Pier is everything, and I'm literally so happy right now. We were just standing in the fast pass line the entire time, and no one told me hello. What are we doing? I know. Oh my God, we got played so hard. I feel like, to be honest, the tea right now, the tea is the fast pass. Lines to get fast pass is longer than waiting for the ride. Is that the tea?
You're right.
That's the tea. Could we please talk about this trash guy right now? This is everything. Oh my God. So basically, disclaimer, this vlog is gonna be like 10 minutes of me fangirling so hard about
What did you expect?
honestly, it was more than everything I expected, because literally every single
Sorry, my bad.
every single thing here is Pixar, and I love Pixar, and I just love love the detail that Disney goes through, you know?
Jack Jack cookie, num num?
Num num.
Oh my gosh.
I heard this is really good.
Ooey and gooey.
I love chocolate chip cookies. They're my favorite cookies. Num num.
Ow. How was Incredicoaster?
It was so cute. I feel like I don't want to talk about it too much. It's just like you gotta, if you know kind of thing. So I think it's super, super cute. If you watch, I feel like if you watch the movie, then you'll love it even more. So yeah.
Such a different ride than California Screaming.
I know. I like this more. Like this is probably my favorite ride ever.
Ever.
So cute. So
Ever.
cute. I love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Lovely.
Yes.
Let's go do some more stuff. Wow.
Cherry topping pearls.
Dry ice. Make it a thumb up. That's well cool.
Oh my god, a round coaster. Living my best life at Pixar Pier with my drink. Don't drink till you're 21, kids.
What's it called? Do you remember? Open ocean something?
I don't know, I just picked it because it's blue.
It's a Dory theme or a Finding Nemo theme.
It's actually really good.
Alrighty then, we just finished up eating at the Lampshade Lounge. Filled up on lobster nachos, some sushi, carne asada sushi, some alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks.
Yep. We're balling.
Absolutely delicious, and now we're on our way to get fast passes for Grizzly because it's boiling hot. We don't want to wait 2 hours and get burnt in line.
And then Chester.
And then it's Chester.
Yeah! So cute. Chester.
Rabbit. Now we're going to Grizzly, and then we're going to go to Guardians. We have fast passes for Guardians, fly through that, and the day is going to keep on running. For those of you who are true Disney fans, you might have heard of a character named Bing Bong. We just attempted, Jesse, Johnny, and I.
So which one do you like?
Try to drop Bing Bong in your class.
So
that's Johnny's.
That's Johnny's right here.
Jesse's.
They gotta get them a good view right here.
Pretty darn well.
This is me. And
over here, Jake Gordon.
You're swaying the boats right now?
Oh yeah. Billy.
So yeah, which one is your favorite? Hint, mine.
Which one do you like, Dan?
Which one do I like?
Which one's the best? We need your impartial opinion.
I think it's that one right there.
Oh, alright. That's his.
That one's the best.
Thank you, Dan. We appreciate your opinion.
So it was being too hot, so we wanted some AC, so we decided to watch some short films.
Disney Pixar short films.
So now I think we're gonna get some yellow snow.
Ice cream? Yellow ice cream? The yellow snow from the Abominable Snowman from Monsters Inc.
From Monsters Inc.
It's gonna be bomb.
Dude, it's gonna be so good. Can't wait to try it. Alright, we got the soft serves. I'm so happy. Look at it. It's melting, but it's like dairy-free. We love a dairy-free ice cream.
What are the flavors?
Lemon and blue raspberry.
Oh my gosh. And we got white chocolate on the top and cherries.
It's called Snowcat to be exact.
Dripping all over your hands. So we gotta dive into these. They look absolutely amazing.
Yes.
Jessie's out here working her way through.
I'm literally a hot mess. Literally.
She's been complaining the last 5 minutes since dripping all over the place. She's gone through about 400 napkins. She's having a struggle here.
My hands are yellow.
Dripping all over the place.
Like, can we talk about this right now?
I've got yellow in my hands too. Johnny's over here munching on a num num cookie. Got another one because they were so good. Fresh out the oven.
Yeah, I got it the second time because it's so good. And the lady burned her hand.
Yeah. She was getting it out and she burned her hand when she was getting it for him.
So basically once you pulled out the cookie, right? Like, it was so hot she like had to hold it like this. And then her index finger right here like hit the oven. So yeah. Ouch!
Trying to figure out what to do next. I think we're going to Grizzly next. We got a fast pass. So we'll hop on over there.
So obviously it's much later and I'm literally so grimy right now. It's the highlight and also the sweat, you know, we're glowing. And so basically, after we ate.
Hello.
Okay, I have issues with these ears. They're so cute. Like, how could you not love them? It's really cool. And I'm trying to get some of the stuff that I've been eyeing on social media today. So, and we have gift cards too, so we gotta use them.
Definitely.
But I don't know why I'm waving this around. Like, what do I want mine? Yeah. So we're just chilling. Ah, so hot today. Help, help, help. But Jake's gonna leave me early for this LA trip though. Is that right?
Yeah, unfortunately. I have a busy life.
I know he's really busy, but it's okay. You know, we love a working man, don't we? Got my hot dog that I've been talking about all day, other than lobster nachos. So basically I got this pulled pork hot dog. Basically, yeah, it's like a pulled pork on top of a hot dog.
Wow, a pulled pork hot dog.
Yeah. And it has like pineapple chunks on top.
Teriyaki.
Yeah, I like it. Jake said he likes it, but it's not his favorite. But I think it's really different because I watch too many Food Network, as you can see. Okay.
Every time she takes a bite, she just goes like, and like Guy Fieri.
It's really the biggest thing. Like, it doesn't even fit in my mouth. Like, it doesn't even fit, man.
It's
it doesn't
humongous.
fit. From my Food Network description, because I'm literally a mom, I love Food Network. It's savory, but also the acidity from the pineapples really makes the flavors really,
Really, it makes the flavors really.
I know, very unique, very complex flavors. There's lots going on, but I feel like, you know, as an average person like Jake, he wouldn't understand.
Average? Oh my goodness.
You know, you gotta be a food critic. You gotta know what to expect. I knew it's gonna be a lot of flavors at once, and
they complement each other. That's the word you're looking for. I don't deny that.
Yeah.
It's just not my favorite.
Before I run into bubbles.
Yeah, watch out. We're heading back now.
Yeah, we're heading back. Hopefully we can go to the hot tub. If not, then we'll be fine. We'll be fine. So today's the next day, and this is my outfit. Very basic Disneyland outfit. Just high-waisted shorts, a tube top, and my iridescent ears that I've been super obsessed with. Today we're going to Disneyland, and unfortunately since I just dropped off Jake at the airport for his RA training, so I had to go with my family, but it's okay. You know, me and John will, you know, F it up in Disneyland. So hopefully I can get more Pixar Pier treats at Disneyland. So stay tuned for me getting fat from all the food I just ate this weekend. So yeah. Johnny, what are you doing? Flexing right now with the Supreme right there. Ooh, Johnny. God, I'm literally crying right now. Oh my god.
You can propose.
I'm literally crying. I don't know if you can see my tears. I'm crying. Oh my. Some lunch now, and I ordered the ratatouille. Look at her. If it's not made by Remy, then I don't want it. So hopefully it's good. It literally looks like as if they prepared it like the movie. So I'm excited to try it right now. I honestly don't know how to eat this, so. Hey everyone, so today's the last day in SoCal, and before I wanted to go, I wanted to try out Portos because all my friends from school always rave about Portos. I had them before, like at school, my friends will give me some, but like I gotta take a sip. I never really had the opportunity to go to the store, so go to the bakery. So this is what we got. The damage is done. I'll show you guys what I got. So we got some potato balls and some, I think meat cakes, something like that. There's like potato balls. Hi Johnny. These are the goods. This is my favorite, which is the cheese rolls, and oh my god. She looks good, she looks crisp, nice and golden. She's glossy. So yeah, this is the box. Then we got a half a dozen of the guava cheese strudel. So I'm super excited to try it. It looks so good. I don't know. I'm gonna eat right now. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure it's good. No. According to Yelp, it's gonna be good. Here's the potato ball. So good. There we go. We got the guava. She's dripping.